Hi everyone, welcome to another CountyCom One Take video. Really excited today to show you the Pro Tri-Flood 21700 flashlight from Maratac. Really cool light. This is what you get. You get a really cool light. What makes it so cool? Well, it runs on the 21700 battery. 21700 battery seems to be the new standard. Lots of energy, small package. Prior to that was the old 18650, which is a great battery, and I have a ton of them around the house. But this flashlight runs on both. That's the cool thing about it. So if you have a ton of 18650s, this flashlight will run on them. If you have 21700s, it'll do it. Oh, let me just go back a step there. So you saw me, I'm going to load the flashlight up. The tail caps, don't mess with the tail cap. It does not come off. You don't want it to come off. Always access it from the head on this flashlight. So always open the head. When it's a brand new flashlight, reach inside. You're going to pull out the 18650 adapter. So now I can run 18650 batteries in this flashlight. But you know what? I got a 21700 battery here. So let's play with that. I put it into the flashlight. Positive end up. I screw it down. There it is. It flashed once. That's no big deal. It's supposed to do that. So good. So to turn it on, just click the tail cap. Notice I got a nice knurling here. I've got a stop, and I've got a metal tail cap. So let's click that once. Oh, that was nice. Click it again. Came on brighter. That's nice. Kick it again. Comes on super bright. Shut it off. Press and hold. Okay, let's do it again. So there it is, bright, dimmer, brighter. Okay, and even brighter. Good. So low, high, higher. Low, high, higher. Okay, but sometimes you want even more. And you guys are expecting more from us. You're expecting a turbo mode, aren't you? Well, what can we do to get you a turbo mode? What if we double click from any setting? That is turbo mode. So turbo mode, I'm going to shut that down just because. Shut the light off, any mode, press and hold for 2 seconds. Just because it really does shut the camera down. So let's talk about that. So that low mode, 85 lumens, is going to run for like 12 hours. Medium, 600 lumens, pretty good. 4 hours. My God. That high mode, 2,400 lumens, 75 minutes. Okay. So, and that turbo mode. So any mode, we just, double click, and that's that turbo mode. That mode is thermally regulated, so you're going to get a few minutes out of it. And as it heats up, to prevent itself from damaging itself, it's going to dim. So that's great for quick, I need a bright light right now, identify, what's going on, your threat, your problem, how to fix it, and then it will either thermally regulate down or you should, knock it down to a comfortable, level to work with. Okay, you also are expecting something else from a CountyCom Maratac flashlight, aren't you? You're expecting a subdued, low light, moonlight mode. Just, hey, I want to look at a map, right? And we don't want to, we don't want to blind the world. Just want to look at this little map. Maybe like 2 lumens worth, huh? Press and hold. Press and hold the tail cap 2 seconds. That gets you into moonlight mode. You can work your map. You can, look in your glove compartment. You're not going to blind the entire world. When it comes to blinding the entire world, remember, 2 clicks. 1, 2. Then you are blinding the entire world. All those lines running across the camera, yeah, that's overloading the camera. It's tough to show you just how bright this light is. But what other features do we got? We've got a clip on it, so you can clip it into your pocket, clip it to your backpack, clip it to your web gear, whatever you need. And that's really important. So head diameter, 1.6 inches. Body diameter, 1.1 inches. 4.1 inches overall length. Okay, so no battery in it. When it's really light, 4.3 ounces. Why you need to know what this thing weighs with no battery in it? You know, God, it's got to have a battery in it. You want a battery in it, so always have a battery in it. Other thing is with a battery. Here we go. 21700 cell, 6.8 ounces. So it's, you know, it's not super light. You know, you probably wouldn't take it to Everest, but it is going to be super bright. And there's no really good way to charge stuff on Mount Everest. So, you know, but it's got its place. It's a super, super bright light. Use the best possible cell you can. You know, we use the Mala cell P42A. It's 4200 milliamps. Which is just a very, very good, good battery. We also have an Intelligent Pro charger that we offer that we like. There'll be links on the website for that. We got to tell you, don't blind people, don't do bad things with it. God, it is, you know, yeah, maybe it's an impact weapon, but God, this is, if light is a weapon, this is definitely it. Unbelievable how bright that thing is. So let's run through this again. So if 2 clicks from any mode, super bright. Okay, shut it off, press and hold. Okay. I want a map light. I just want to look in my glove compartment, low light, press and hold for 2 seconds. Okay, great. Click it once. Hey, it comes up bright. And then I go to my medium mode, super bright. You know what? I want super, super bright. Double click. And there it is, super, super bright, just blowing the camera away. So this is not a flashlight for everybody. You need to really be a flashlight fanatic to appreciate this. Lot of effort, a lot of engineering went into this. There is a limited number. Again, holidays are coming. I've already, friends and family have already made requests for me. So there's not quite, I understand, there's 500 pieces made. I know there's not 500 pieces available because this has been so popular that friends and family have been beating me up, and some of the other guys hear about this. So get yours. Hope you enjoy it. I think I'm gonna love it. It's new to me. I've only been playing with it for a couple of days. I love it. We go out on the ranch, and you know what? We are lighting stuff up way out in the distance. You know, identifying stuff way out in the distance. It's really, really nice. Hope you enjoy yours. Look forward to seeing you on our next video. Until then, stay safe, be alert.